The Constitution of India stands as a testament to the nation's commitment to justice, liberty, and equality for all its citizens. At the heart of this sacred document lie the fundamental rights, a set of inalienable rights guaranteed to every Indian. These rights are not merely abstract principles, they are the very foundation upon which the edifice of Indian democracy is built. They serve as a bulwark against arbitrary state action and empower citizens to lead lives of dignity and freedom. These rights are crucial for the well-being of individuals and society. They protect citizens from oppression, discrimination, and exploitation. The framers of the Constitution, having witnessed firsthand the injustices meted out by the colonial regime, were determined to ensure that such atrocities would never again plague the newly independent nation. Understanding these rights is not just the domain of legal scholars, it is the duty of every Indian to comprehend and cherish these cornerstones of their freedom. The inclusion of fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution was the culmination of a long and arduous struggle against colonial oppression.
These leaders recognized that true freedom extended far beyond mere political independence. It encompassed the fundamental rights of every individual, regardless of their background, beliefs, or social standing. The drafting of the Constitution, therefore, became a pivotal moment in Indian history. The fundamental rights, therefore, are not merely legal pronouncements, they are the embodiment of India's aspirations for a just and equitable society.
At the forefront of India's fundamental rights stands the right to equality, enshrined in Articles 14 to 18 of the Constitution.
Article 14 guarantees equality before the law and equal protection of the law to all persons within the territory of India. This means that the law applies equally to everyone, rich or poor, high or low, without any discrimination. Article 15 prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth.
Article 16 ensures equality of opportunity in matters of public employment.
Article 17 abolishes the practice of untouchability, a historic evil that has plagued Indian society for centuries. This article declares untouchability in any form as a punishable offence, aiming to eradicate this discriminatory practice and foster social inclusion. Article 18 prohibits the state from conferring any titles except military and academic distinctions.
Section 4. Right to freedom, navigating liberty responsibly.
The right to freedom, enshrined in Articles 19 to 22 of the Indian Constitution, is the cornerstone of a vibrant and democratic society.
However, these freedoms are not absolute and come with certain reasonable restrictions imposed in the interest of national security, public order, morality, and the rights of others.
Article 19 guarantees 6 fundamental freedoms to citizens: freedom of speech and expression, freedom of assembly, freedom of association, freedom of movement, freedom to reside and settle in any part of India, and freedom to practice any profession or carry on any occupation, trade, or business.
These freedoms are essential for a thriving democracy, allowing citizens to engage in open dialogue, criticize the government, and hold it accountable.
Article 20 protects individuals from arbitrary arrest and detention.
Article 21 guarantees the right to life and personal liberty, stating that no person shall be deprived of either except according to the procedure established by law. Article 22 safeguards the rights of individuals who have been arrested or detained.
Section 5. Rights against exploitation and for freedom of religion.
The right against exploitation, outlined in Articles 23 and 24, prohibits all forms of human trafficking, forced labor, and child labor.
It's heartening to know that our Constitution stands firm against exploitation, ensuring that every individual can live with dignity and respect.
Articles 25 to 28 encapsulate the right to freedom of religion.
This right ensures that every person has the liberty to follow their faith without fear of discrimination or persecution.
The freedom to practice one's religion is a testament to India's rich cultural and religious diversity.
Section 6. Fostering a vibrant and inclusive society.
The fundamental rights enshrined in the Indian Constitution are not just legal provisions, they are the pillars that support a vibrant and inclusive society. They empower citizens to participate actively in the democratic process and ensure that their voices are heard. By protecting individual freedoms and promoting social justice, the Constitution fosters an environment where every citizen can thrive, contribute to the nation's progress, and live with dignity.
The journey to uphold these rights is ongoing, requiring constant vigilance and collective effort.